Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 flaunts sleek design in new leaked renders. Here's what's coming. Finally, the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7's new design and phone specifications have been revealed before the official announcement. On the other hand, Samsung is ditching the most important feature in Galaxy Z Fold7. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. South Korean giant company Samsung is expected to officially unveil the new smartphone with a flexible display, the Galaxy Z Fold7, on July 9, 2025. A few weeks before this event, one of the Finnish online stores revealed information about the color options and the amount of internal storage the device will be available in. At the same time, renders appeared on the internet revealing the design of the Galaxy Fold Z7. Like the current generation model, the new Galaxy Z Fold7 will be available in versions with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of storage. The first two options will come in black, silver, and blue. The older version with 1TB of storage will be available in black and blue. The smartphone will be available in these color options in retail chains, but Samsung will probably also offer the Galaxy Z Fold7 in exclusive design options in its branded online store. Along with the disclosure of information about the color options of the case and storage capacity, renders of the smartphone in black and blue colors appeared on the internet. Images of the Galaxy Z Fold7 show a thin profile. According to rumors, when unfolded, the thickness of the smartphone's case will be from 3.9mm to 4.5mm. According to the source, the device will weigh 215 grams. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 to ditch the under-display selfie camera. By all indications, Samsung will be making a return to a hole-punch selfie setup on the Galaxy Z Fold7. The company introduced an under-display camera on the Galaxy Z Fold 4, but now looks to have ditched the technology. As first reported by Panda Flash on X, it seems Samsung will be eschewing an under-display selfie camera on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in favor of a traditional setup. This is seemingly confirmed by the recent leaks showcasing the foldable, with a hole punch on its inner screen. The new Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to launch with the new Android 16-based One UI 8 out of the box, a new 200-megapixel camera, and a faster Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip, assisted by a larger vapor chamber and improved cooling system. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.